Hey guys, welcome back. James here with another call from the episode of the Marketing Show. And in today's episode, Frank, you're with us from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Frank, welcome to the show.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Yes. How can we help you today?
Well, it looks I'm working on a funnel for a tow truck company client that doesn't do towing. Right now, he's doing junk car
Okay.
recovery. And I have a funnel that I don't know, once I get the information from the funnel, how to set that funnel up so that my client gets the information.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and request remote control if that's okay.
Go ahead.
All right. You should have seen that request come through. Got it. Cool. Okay, so let's see here now. Can you duplicate that? I'm going to duplicate this page here.
Okay.
Do you mind doing that for me up at the upper? You basically just give me another login to Agency Toolbox here.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Sure.
There
Do
you go.
you want me just to click in? Okay.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
just
Never
that's
mind.
all. Yeah, that's all. I don't know. The thing was blocking it, so I couldn't click on it. That's perfect.
So it's going to be oh, go ahead. Sorry.
Yeah, no, I think I can help you out here today. So basically in forms, you have your form builder, right?
Uh-huh.
You know which form it is that you're using? Probably is it this form 1?
I actually have a form called junk car query, but it won't show up in there. If you want to go into KMK towing there.
Okay. So what is it's K?
KMK. Yep. There it is.
Is this the sub account that we're working
Yeah.
in? Okay.
Correct.
Perfect. Okay. And cancel this.
Yep.
Cancel that. Okay. So now we're going to be in forms.
Yeah. I don't know why it won't let it go. That's what I mean.
Oh, that's not good, huh? I'm just going to hit OK this time.
Yeah. See forms, junk car query.
Junk car query. Okay. So this is the one that's on that page that you were
Correct.
talking, right? Okay. Okay. So let me do this here. I'm going to duplicate this tab as well. What you want to do is you want to kick off an automation when that form gets submitted. So it's called junk car query.
Uh-huh.
So you go to automations. I'm just going to make it right here if that's okay.
That's great.
So start from scratch. If you want to put it in another folder after the fact, that'd be fine. Basically, let's just call this junk car. Let's see here. Send client form info for now.
Okay.
Now, what's going to be the trigger? So a lot of this agency toolbox is powered by these workflows. And something happens, you want to do something, it all kind of starts from here. And so the trigger is going to be form submitted. Okay.
Okay, gotcha.
But it could be, there's lots of forms in your account. So now you got to tell it, which one.
Correct.
I'm going to filter it down here. I'm going to say, well, what's the form? The form is, and here I got to pick between all those ones.
Gotcha.
We said it was junk car query, right?
Gotcha. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now that's the thing. When that form gets submitted, and if you wanted to make it, even easier to read, you could say form submitted is junk car query.
Okay.
Just as you're reading it, the next time you're in here, you don't have to open it all up. And let's say, when I'm just getting something started, if it's just a few leads coming in, I'm testing something. I always like to send myself an email, like to you, Frank.
Uh-huh.
Right? So I like to send, or a text. So you could send yourself a quick text message to your phone number, and I'll just put this in for now just as an example. And you could say, contact has filled out the form.
Okay. Gotcha. Makes sense.
Yep. Now, let's just, yeah. You can make it more descriptive so you can add whatever you want here. This is just for the sake of example. So I'm going to say internal notification. I'm just going to say, hey, I'm going to call this text myself. Now, if this thing's getting, 300 leads a month or something, you can just delete this step.
Gotcha.
But one, I'll keep these on for a while, just so I know stuff's working and coming in, and kind of gives me a pulse of how that thing's doing. But then what your main question is how do I send the client
The email, right?
and
I
this
see
is
this.
the send email step.
Gotcha.
And so this could be like, let's say Frank's marketing, right? So you kind of getting that branding, right? So another,
Right.
new lead from Frank's marketing.
Uh-huh.
So that way, every time he gets that, he's thinking, yeah, Frank's doing me good here on the lead gen. And then your from email, whatever that is, Frank at frankmarketing.com.
Oh, so basically that would be, even if it's just a Gmail account that I have for the business, it's just my Gmail account.
Yeah, and there's a lot to know about actually getting those into the inbox and not going to spam, and so there's some stuff that has to be set up. For the sake of this call, that's where you would put that, but there is more to know, and I do have a guy that helps people with that I'd recommend, but that would be another day.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the part that's pretty cool. So basically, these custom values is every single field that you've ever made custom to your toolbox here ends up going in contact, and if you scroll to the very bottom, custom fields. You see all those there?
Gotcha. Yeah, those are those. I see. I would
A
put
lot
those
of
into.
those, a lot of those are going to be so now what I need to do, they don't have an easy way to do this. It should be easier, but this is how you do it for now. So year, make, model. Okay, so I'm just going to walk down this form and try and go and find those things. So this is what you do. So you say, well, first of all, you kind of started off with their full name. Full name has filled out the form. Is whatever you want to put. What has filled out the form.
Uh-huh.
Or has requested information, etc. And then what I do is I actually type out the label. So year, make, model. So then I actually type out year with a colon. And then
Right.
I go find the variable that represents that.
Year, right.
Yeah, so contact, then custom fields, and then year. Okay. Now, then we said make. So you're basically coming in here and composing this email that represents, so year, make, and model. And you could start to see the pattern, of course.
Yeah.
But you might as well get it straight from the. Oh, let me put that. Let's see. I'm not sure why that. We got to redo those two. So year, contact, custom fields, year. Make sure my cursor's in the right spot. So contact, custom fields, model. Do you want to do the next one?
Yeah. So basically, you're saying we go here. So it's going to be title, any lien, and any conditions. So I'm going to go back to here.
Yep. First thing I do is actually write the label. I actually type out that label. So I would go to the end here.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, I would
go here. So then go here and go. Yeah, go. So I know what. So I'm going back to. So I know what I'm looking for when I come back. So I'm looking for title.
Yeah. So let's do title. So
okay, try to get up there without hitting that thing. So it's going to be title. Okay.
Let's go get the variable for it now.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Let's do them one at a time. So put your cursor there. Yep. Custom values. Yep. Oh, now it's contact. It's contact.
Or contact?
It's first you go to the contact, then you go over, then you scroll to the bottom. Yep.
Now I'm gonna look for what would I say? What was that number? It was title, right?
Title. Yep.
Gotcha.
Okay, and then yep, perfect.
So I see. So then I'm gonna go get this one. Title.
You just
I
got
need
title. Now you want to get lean, I think.
Yeah, lean, right. So
Yep.
I wish this menu would like give me a second. Let's see here. If I can get it. See this. That keeps dropping down on me here. Let's put this over here. Let's pull this over here. So I can do this. There we go. That's better. So model lean, we said. So we're gonna go to lean. Okay, so we'll go here.
Perfect.
Lean.
Yep.
And then we're gonna go contact, custom fields.
Oh, yep, the top one actually. I think so.
Okay, lean, how much?
Perfect.
We said title, lean. We go back to here. We already have names, so we just need phone.
Any conditions, I think. Any conditions.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what
that doesn't really quite make sense. Like I would say, is there any I don't know, is there anything wrong? I don't know what the context is.
Yeah, I think I'm going to change that to, anything wrong with the vehicle.
Yeah, it must have been. Sounds like it might have been Spanish translated or something.
Well, I don't know. I got it from a text message from him. He's like conditions. I'm like, he actually just put conditions. I'm like, well, yeah, that sounds like I'm not sure what that actually means.
Yeah, is there anything wrong with is there anything wrong with it?
Yeah, from my experience with them, that's what it is. They're looking to see, is there a broken window? Did a fender fall off? That's what they're looking for. So
now, go back. Go ahead and go back, because you still go ahead and go back if you want, because there is name and phone number, and we can actually put those on there as well.
Okay.
And let's put those maybe at the top. So maybe right at the very top. Contact.
Here?
Yep. Contact.
Get rid of this.
Yeah. No, right there. But hit enter.
Here.
Yep. Hit enter, and then just put phone, and then do the phone variable.
Gotcha. Nope, wrong one, buddy. There we go. Contact is going to be phone. Where's the phone? Your phone.
Yep.
And then that's it.
And email if you want.
Oh yeah, an email.
So maybe one more line.
That's what we probably should have too. That's not in there. He didn't ask for it.
Oh, he didn't?
No, but I'm gonna put it in there because I think it's necessary.
Okay, now this is not custom. This is out of the box.
Okay, so
yep, you're close. There, you're close. You're still on the no. Okay.
Not there?
No. So user, just so you know, user email would represent users in your agency toolbox using this system.
Okay.
You want to go to the contact. So
gotcha.
Go to custom values again, and go to contact, and it's that email address.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's the contact email.
Just got to remember that.
Yep.
It's not any email. It's that one. Otherwise, it's gonna go back to him. It's gonna go back to the contact. That's
so there's users of the system in case you wanted to email them or copy them on it, or yourself. And then there's contacts in the system. So let's go ahead and, oh, sorry, you know what? It says Frank's meeting here. Let's just change that to marketing just for time being.
Okay.
Oh, no. Well, sorry. Undo that. One more undo. Right there. Just at the very end, the last word. The last word there, marketing, instead of meeting.
Gotcha.
Right here. See that?
Yep.
I'm just going to delete that.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay. So let's hit save action now on the bottom, the big green button.
Gotcha.
There you go. And then let's save. Let's go ahead and publish it up here on the upper right.
Gotcha. Okay,
Publish
click
it and hit save. Yep. Yeah. Now, we could go and fill out your form and give it a test.
Okay, so we'll go into sites.
Okay.
Funnels. Go to towing funnel. This is the one it is. Come on, load it now. There it is. So basically, I'm going to go into the preview and fill it out, right?
Yeah. Well, I always like to hit the live site if I can, but
it's not live yet.
Okay.
I don't have it live yet.
The preview should work. And if anyone else has questions about similar topics with Agency Toolbox, Go High Level, ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, you can visit themarketingshow.com and submit your questions as well. So look forward to helping you out.
Let's see. So we're not going to know where this is going
Yeah.
because we don't have our actual email in there.
You probably want to collect that email.
Yeah. So basically go back in here and put it in there, correct?
Yeah. Go back to the forms.
Yep.
Form builder.
Builder, come on. We're not creating a new form. We're going back to junk car query workflow.
No, we're going to edit the form itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we're going to add an email box to the form.
You got it.
So, but how will we know that the form is working without being live?
It should submit, and we'll put your email in.
Gotcha.
And then hopefully it sends it to you.
Yeah.
Well, and it's supposed to send to you anyways. Let's see.
It's trying to load.
Yeah. Let's go back to your workflow where we were composing that email.
Okay, so let's go back to, let's see, workflows.
Yeah, automations there.
Automations, that's right. See, my brain doesn't want to retain it right away. I got to have it over and over again. So it's automations I need to go into to get this.
Yes, to change the automated emails and stuff. Yeah, I wonder if we should stop sharing for a second.
Let's do that. Let's see if that'll help.
Yeah, sometimes it does get kind of get slow. Yeah, if you want to refresh any of those screens.
Take this one out, refresh this screen, refresh. Let's go to this one, refresh this one. Let's take some of these down. Let's take this one down. And it just, yeah, that's what it did. So let's go back to workflows. I was actually in workflows already. I think that was the issue. I had a workflow screen up. Let me just re-sign in. That may help.
Okay.
And of course, because I re-signed in, it wants me to re-log in and wants to send me a security code. Give me a second. I got to get the code from my email box. Barry. Copy, paste it in there. Okay, so we're going back in now. We're going back to automations. Workflows, we're looking for send client form info, which I found. Now, do you want to share the screen again?
Sure.
Okay, let's see here. Whenever you want to send a request, I'll accept it.
Okay.
I don't know how to do that.
Have you started sharing your screen?
I don't know how to. I'm trying to figure out how to do that with Zoom. Let's see here. Let's see. Share my screen. Sorry, I can figure it out, dummy. I did it before. Here we go.
It's okay.
We're sharing now.
Okay, go to email.
Okay, go to email, click on it.
Yep. Yeah, so from email, where are we sending the email to, I guess is the question.
This one?
Yes. Oh, you're sending it to the contact itself. Okay, so it's kind of already there. Okay, that should be fine. So let's hit save action.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Let that go, cancel that, let that go, save it.
Okay. And then go back to your form where you were.
Okay. Okay, go back to my form. Sites. This one. This form here.
It's actually the form itself. So,
Oh,
yep, builder. Yep. And then let's put that email address on there.
oh yes, put it here, but we'll
Yep.
move it someplace else, really.
Yeah, typically the primary information will go at the top, right? So you're going to start with their name and their email. So at the
Like
very,
that.
very, yeah.
Right, name.
I would put your name. I would kind of group your name, email, phone at the top.
Gotcha.
Yep. So probably name would be first, upper left.
Your phone. Let's see. Give me a second here. Name,
Yeah, yeah.
phone, email needs to go
Email.
here
Yep.
if it will. Yeah, there it
There
goes.
you go.
Got it. So basically, then that's fine. We'll save that.
Perfect.
Wish I could save it.
Click over. Yeah, kind of click in there. Now, there is this idea of required fields or not. So, maybe phone number you want to be required or name to be required. Right now, only email is required. So if you wanted anything else, that's another topic of another discussion, but just be aware that the form can stop you from submitting if you haven't filled out, the required information.
Exactly. I'd like that.
So right now, if you actually click on email.
Here over here?
No, over here.
Okay.
You can see that there's that checkbox, which makes it required.
Ah, okay, perfect.
So if I wanted to make their name required, let's go ahead and click on name.
And then make it required.
Make it required. And then it adds a little asterisk above there. It adds a little asterisk on the thing. That kind of helps.
Got it. Yes, it's going to be required too. I want that required.
There you go. Perfect. So let's click into here and save it, and then let's go test your form.
Make sure the form is saved. So go back to sites.
Yeah.
Go back to funnels. I'm in sites. So go here. Go try the form out in preview.
Yeah, right here's a button for that.
Okay.
But yeah, preview up here.
Preview, that's right. And just try it out.
Yeah. Now, are you willing to check your email live on the call today, or you just okay. Great.
I don't care if anybody calls that number.
All right.
Actually, 404-3895. If they want my business, they can call that number.
Right.
And then it's just. And let's make up a car.
There you go.
Went backwards. Sorry. Malibu. Let's just put it that way. Title, yes. Any lien, yes. Oh, I don't know. $20,000.
Okay.
$20,000. Doesn't really matter what the number is.
Nope, just for testing.
Fair condition.
There you go. Sweet.
And then we said press submit. Now I should get an email, and this comes up here. Perfect. How it's supposed to.
Okay, looks like I know you had the question there about does it go to the next page? What should I do with that? It looks like you went to the next page. Is that fine?
That's what I wanted to do. Perfect. Yeah.
Okay, let's go check your email.
Okay, I'm looking in my social trained email. Frank's Marketing.
Is it here?
New leads from Frank Marketing. Yep.
Let's click on it. Can we see how it looks like?
Sure. Give me a second. I got
it. Right here.
Okay, log in. You're right. Go back to inbox. Frank's Marketing.
Look at that.
Very nice. So basically now that email, I added, so basically here, let's go back to this.
Yeah.
To my whatchamacallit, where was that? We're going to go out of here. I'm going to go back to here and I'm going to change the email that it goes to though. So let me just check it out. Let me just make sure I got this right. Yeah. I'm going to go into automations. Let's see, whenever it gets there. Automations, right?
So you would this you would want to, sorry, you know what?
Hmm.
You know, I actually misled you just a little bit, okay?
Okay.
So this instead this email goes back to the person who submitted the form. So you could very quickly say, "Hey, we received your." Let's do that. Let's go back to the email there. You could say, "Hey, hey, we received your so this yeah, hey, we received your information and here's what we have. This is what
Right
we
here.
Yep, right
Type that
there.
in there.
Yeah,
Type it in there before that. So go down here
yeah.
and go,
Thank you. Yeah, instead of contact us filled out the form, you'll say, "Hey, thanks, John, for we got your request." Right?
thanks. It would be contact name, right? So I
Yeah,
go, hey,
hey,
thanks.
thanks, contact name. We received your information. It's actually right there. Hang tight. It's actually right there. So it's actually right there already.
Okay. And then put here,
We received your request. We received the following information from you. Perfect. Let's just call that. Now go ahead and copy all of that in here. Go ahead and copy all of this text. Okay. Yep. Copy all of that.
okay. How do we, Control C, I'll go like this.
Yeah.
Control C if it works. Let's
Okay.
see.
Yeah.
What's the
Control
link?
C.
Okay.
Now come back over here and hit this plus button. Now it's type in internal right there in the action.
Action. Up. There we go. Internal right in here.
Right in here as you're searching.
Oh,
Yeah, internal. There you go. This
okay.
is what I should have told you to start with.
Gotcha.
So now you're going to send an email, and this could be the email to you and your client at the same time. So this would be one. This would be from Frank's Marketing or social planner. So it's from Social Trained Marketing,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, then
This is from my email.
yeah. Yep.
To
And then this
Camcade.
you can do custom email.
Custom email.
Yeah. So this is where you would put in your client's email or your own too, or both. I think you can put a comma between them and send it to two people.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So basically I would go his email, which I would
Yep.
have to go back and find that email.
Yeah. We can do that later. But for now, let's just send it to yourself.
Okay. Subject. Here it is.
Yeah.
Paste this in
just
here.
just right. Yeah. Paste Command V.
Control C.
Control V.
There
you
it
go.
is. Hey, we got this. Let's make this like
And now this one's more the other way, which is like you got a new lead,
right. So we should send this to the templates. Don't change this right here.
you don't have to do that, no.
Gotcha. Save the action. Oops, they need an email. So this puts social trained in there for now.
Yeah.
At gmail.com. I can find his email, but I don't need to do that right now.
Right.
Save action.
And a subject, which would be like new lead from Social Trained Marketing. Yep.
Save the action. There it goes. Now try it again.
And well,
right?
don't forget to save that up here, or nothing's gonna work.
Nothing. Yeah, it won't let me leave. It'll tell me not to go
Okay.
nowhere. So now I should go back, right? Try it again.
Yeah. So now, yeah, go ahead and try it again, and this time you'll put my information in.
Okay.
Or put
James?
anything you want in there, but yeah, and then put any phone number. But just for the email, you could put James at DDXWeb,
Okay.
for
I'm
example.
gonna put 555-555-121. It won't work that way, will it?
It might. It just needs 10 numbers, I think, before it validates. But sometimes it.
Yeah, let's just go 414-555-1212. Will that
There you
work?
go.
Yeah.
Perfect.
What is it? James at what was that? The email? What was your email, James?
DDXWeb.
.com or dot?
DDXWeb.
Oh, okay. .com.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just make up an Whatever. I don't know why I don't know why I feel like I'm so, whatever. Chevy, Malibu. Yeah, you have your title. No, there's no lien on this one. No fair. We're just going to put in stuff in there. Just get in there. So we sent it. And it goes back to this page. We're all set. You should have got an email from Social Train Marketing. I should have got an email from Social Train Marketing. I did. So I got an email from you. It works. Let me show you that. Wish I would stop doing that. Come on, let it go. There it goes. There it goes. Every time I go near it. There we go. So here's the new one. Yeah, it works pretty good.
Hey, thanks. We received the following information from you. Yeah. And then if I was to check my email, then
Yep.
I should also have a new email from you as well, right?
It should be if it worked right.
Let's do it. I can come show you. Let me show you real quick. So let's do that. There it is. You see that? New
Perfect.
leads from Frank's Marketing.
Awesome.
Now I do see that this is not working. Has filled out the form, so there's some little problem with the name right here. So we could go look at that real quick, and then
Yep.
I'll let you go and get on to the next call.
Okay, so perfect. Go back to internal notification or email.
Yeah. Go to those workflows. Yeah. So go ahead and share your screen again.
Okay.
Yeah. Now that you understand the concept, now you can kind of test it, play with it.
Right.
And clean it up a little bit. But
Right.
the biggest thing is just understanding the concept. So go to mine. Go to email, the bottom one there. Yeah. So contact name has filled out the form. Contact name has filled out the form. Something's wrong with that, and I'm not sure what it is. You might experiment with contact full name, contact first name. So yeah, let's actually go back. The way to tell is to go back to your form.
Okay.
Maybe make a new tab or find that form that we were working with.
Okay. Give me a second. We'll find it.
Okay.
There it is.
Where we build it. Where we
Okay.
actually build that form.
Oh, I gotcha.
In Agency Toolbox.
Let's go back to that then.
But I don't want to leave this. I don't want to leave this page because I'm working
Okay,
in here.
gotcha.
So I'm gonna duplicate. I'm gonna get another window up of Toolbox.
Right. My God.
I might have 4 or 5 windows up at a time, half the time, just
Gotcha.
so I can work between. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Give me a second.
Okay.
Once again, I did the yeah. So let's just duplicate this tab.
That works.
Yeah, I wish I would remember to do that. That's easier. I never even thought about doing that when I'm working on this stuff. I just open a new tab and go clicking on stuff.
You're getting your money's worth today, Frank.
So we go back to window workflows.
Yeah.
We go back to sites.
Yep.
Funnels. It's going to be the funnel site right here, right?
Forms.
No, we're going to
actually just editing the form. Yeah. This
right.
time.
Right. I gotcha.
Okay. And then junk car query. So when you click on name there,
okay,
we kind of want to, we're trying, yeah, see, you click on that.
Mm-hmm.
So this is your name. I don't know if, okay, so you know what? So I don't know if that was made custom or not, but
yeah, I think I did it. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What you want to use is the name that's already in here, click in here in the middle, hang tight.
In the middle.
Hang tight with me. Yeah, so just click in the white space there. You want to use the system, the name that's already in the system.
This guy.
Yeah.
So how do I just delete this?
Yeah, I just delete it.
And then pull this in here.
Yep, and I bet you that will fix you up.
And then make sure it's
you can make it required. Yeah, I bet you that fixes you up there. So yeah, on anything like an email, a phone number, a name, you don't want to go and create your own because that's pretty common across everybody. So they already made those defaulted for you.
Right.
Same with address, city, state. It's only like the reason they call them custom fields is because not everyone wants year, make, and model. So those are custom to your thing. But every business has name, email, phone number. So they give those to you automatically.
Gotcha.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I mean, oh yeah, I get it, and I understand it from another point of view. I understand when they put those in there so that the software understands what you're asking for, and it can congregate it in certain places. I get that too.
Perfect. Okay, have I answered your question to your satisfaction today?
You certainly have.
All right, thank you. All right, thanks for joining the Marketing Show, Frank, and take care. Good luck out there.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye now.
Bye.